Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, which I hope is maybe your favorite doodle channel, I hope. And today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Pepa from the Disney movie Encanto. So feel free to like, comment, subscribe, because that super duper helps out the channel and I love it when you do. All right, so before we get started, I'm just going to remind you folks that we still have a contest going on right now at Daily Doodles, and if you're interested in any of that information, you'll find all the info in the description box below this video. All right, folks, so let's get started drawing Pepa. I'm going to start drawing her by drawing her eyes. So we're going to do a shape like this. Kind of like the shape of a rainbow. And then we're going to come on underneath. And so we've got the basic shape of one of her eyes now. And inside that, we're going to do a circle. And then a little circle up top. And then another circle. And that last one we did, we can color that one in dark. Now I'm going to make this part up here, this side, a little bit thicker, just a little bit darker, like that. And I'm just going to add a couple little flicks for eyelashes, just a couple. And see, I didn't make them too long or anything. Now we're going to give a little bit of space, and then we're going to do her other eye. So we're going to do the same thing that we just did, only like the mirror image of it. So that same basic shape. And then our circle inside that shape. And then our other circles, and then color in the last one in dark. And then we're going to thicken up the side right here to make it a little bit darker just on this side. And then add in some little flicks of eyelashes. I'm just going to thicken this one over here a little bit just to kind of help it match the other one. I made this one a little tiny bit bigger than this eye, but that's okay. It's okay. Things don't have to super duper match. We're just having fun here. Okay. So next I'm going to give her eyebrows. So I'm going to start a little tiny ways above the eye and do a curve. And then come on back down. So like that. And I'm going to do the same over on this side. So same basic shape, same thing we did over here. All right, now we're going to go down a little bit and give her a nose. So I'm going to start right here and give a little bit of a nostril, just a little curve. And then we're going to come down a little lower, and this is, sorry, I called that a nostril, didn't I? This is a nostril. All right, so we got a little nostril here, and then we can come down here in the middle, and to the side we got another nostril, and give another little curve, like that. And now, of course, a mouth. So she's going to be smiling. So a little smile, and it's going to be open mouth smile. She's super, super happy. And we can do a top lip and a bottom lip. And we can do a little curve, kind of a curve like this for her top teeth. And a little smaller one down here for the bottom teeth. And I'm going to give her a tongue in here too. So just almost like two very faint little hills. And then if you want, you can color in this part dark, because this is going to be deep into her mouth where you can't really see anything, so real dark in there. And so now let's do some sketching for her face shape. So she needs a bit of a cheek, and then we're gonna come on down, and she's got a bit of a pointy chin. And then come on up, and same thing, so over on this side, and then a little bit of a cheek, like that. Okay, and on her ears, she's got some really cool sun earrings. So let's see. Normally, I would put her ears right here, but well, actually, I will. I'll put her ears right here. So I'm just gonna make these two little lines here for her ears. But her sun earrings are a little bit down. So I'm gonna start right here for a circle. And then the sun earrings are just like a pile of spikes. I guess like as the sun rays, the sunshine rays. So a circle with a pile of spikes. I'm gonna do same over here. Circle, pile of spikes. And some are big spikes, some are little spikes, some are longer. Okay, so now let's do a line here for the neck. Okay, and let's do a bit of hair. So she's got curly, curly hair. So lots and lots of curls. Very wavy hair. And it's coming down behind her neck. And she's got some wavy curly bangs. And her hair is kind of hiding her ears, so we can't really see those very well. And her hair is coming out here behind the earring and coming down behind her neck. Okay, so now her outfit. We're gonna do a curve like this. And then we can make a pile of U shapes like this. Just following that neck curve, that curve here. Okay, and then we've got some frills, piece of frilly fabric. Okay, and she's got her hair up in a piece of yellow fabric as well, but because of all this hair and that I drew her hair all the way up here, we can't really see that. So we've got our portrait here done of her, and I'm gonna start coloring now. Okay, folks, so we are done drawing Pepa from Encanto. So I almost forgot to mention that this was a request from this awesome subscriber right here, and also from this awesome subscriber right here. So if you guys ever have anything that you'd like to learn how to draw or like to see me draw, let me know in the comments below. Alright folks, so I hope you have a really, really good day, and I hope to see you back here for the next Daily Doodles. Okay everybody, goodbye!